Hi, in today's tutorial I'll be teaching you how to make the headbands slash earwarmers. As you can see, I already have some samples, double colored. Then this one is for babies. I used the spike stitch on this one to make this design, but I'll be showing you how to make this one. You can see the texture. Alright, let's get started. For the tutorial, you will need a crochet hook. I used the 3.5 millimeter. Then I'm going to use acrylic yarn, 100% acrylic. I'm recycling, that's why it looks like this. Then you will need a pair of scissors. Then you will need a yarning needle, though I'm not going to use that. I'll use the crochet hook. Okay, to get started, you start with a slip knot, sorry. Then chain 12, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 plus 3, so it will be 15. 1, 2, 3. Then the fourth, you make a double crochet. And make a double crochet all the way across to the other end. I'll do that, then I'll come back and show you what to do next. I'm done with the double crochets. So in total you have 13, including this chain 3 at the beginning. It also counts as a double crochet. So to turn, we are going to chain 3, then turn your work. Then we are going to make a front post in this next. Turn over, set a hook, wrap a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Then in the next, you're going to make a double crochet. Then the next one, front post. So you will continue with double crochet, front post, double crochet till you make it to the end of the row. So now I'm at the end. I'm going to work a double crochet on the chain 3 that we made at the beginning. Then chain 1 and turn. Now for this row we are going to make single crochets all the way across. Don't start from the first one, you start from this second. This chain 1 counts as a single crochet. So I'll go ahead and finish my single crochets, then I'll come back and show you what to do in the next row. So I'm done with the single crochets. For the next row you're going to chain 3, 2, 3. Then on top of this, at the single crochet, you're going to make a double crochet. Then here we have a double crochet, so you're going to make a front post in this double crochet below. Then make a double crochet here on top of the front post, on top of the single crochet, which is on top of the front post. So you're going to be alternating. So the next one will be a front post. Where you see a double crochet below, you make a front post. Then where you see a front post, you're going to make a double crochet on top. Go ahead and finish, then I'll come back. I'm almost at the end. So since we have 2 here, you're going to make another double crochet, so there will be 2 double crochets at the end of this row. So make a double crochet here, then chain 1 and turn. So we are going to be alternating. After making this row, then you'll be making single crochets, then you repeat this row. I'm going to make one more row with you, so chain up 3, you're finished with the single crochet. So since there is a double crochet here, we are going to work a front post, then double crochet here, the next, then a front post. So this is going to be the pattern for the whole video. So go ahead and make to your desired length. I'll come back and show you after I'm done with that. Okay, I'm done. I made a total of 32 rows. So go ahead and measure. Without stretching, it's 20 inches, and when you stretch, it's about 22.5, turning to 23. So after you're done, you're going to cut off your yarn but leave a long tail. I left a tail of about 13.5 inches. So the next step, you're going to, this is the right side, this is the inside. So you're going to fold it like this. I'll first weave in this, then I'll come and show you what to do. Okay, I'm done. So you're going to fold this into half, then bring this, but then you attach them in this way, but don't go to the extreme end, just in the middle. So you also bring this one to the middle, so it will look like this. Then you're going to get your crochet hook. If you have a yarn needle, you just thread it with this tail, then you'll sew to the other end. You'll be attaching basically. So for me, I'm going to use a crochet hook, so I'll insert my hook through this side, this one, this piece, then the next and the next, then I'll pull this tail through to the other end. Then you'll come and insert it this side too. Here, make sure to pass through all 4, 2, 3, and 4, then pull it through. Oh, it's a bit difficult. Good. Sorry. Okay. Just go through again to this end, then pull through. Till you have it to this side. Then pull through again, just to make it tight. It is easier with a yarning needle, but I don't have one, so I'll be using this. Okay, so after you have something like this, so there is a hole here and a hole here. So we are going to attach these two. To attach these two, I'll be using the same technique. So I'll insert my hook at any point here, then through here, then pull through this thread. Then go ahead and pull through this side too. So you'll be doing the same thing, then pass through like 2 times. Until you have everything together. Sorry. Okay. Bit of a struggle. I'll go ahead and finish off. Just tie this and then you turn it, and there you go, your headband is finished. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed making this, and I'll see you in my next video.